If you're starting macrame, you don't need lots of supplies, but choosing the wrong ones can make this so much harder. I'll show you exactly what you need to begin and what you can ignore so you don't waste money. By the end of this, you'll be ready to start your first project straight away. The most important thing is your cord, and this is where beginners often go wrong. Some cords are much harder to work with than others. For beginners, I recommend starting with a thicker braided cord. It's easier to handle. This type, the single twist, looks nice, but it's harder to control when you're learning. You'll also need something to attach your cord to. This can be as simple as a stick from the garden, a wooden dowel, or even rings. You really don't need anything fancy to start. A good pair of scissors, especially fabric scissors, is helpful, and that's really it. Measuring tape, masking tape, and a comb can also be very helpful. One of the first mistakes beginners make is not securing their project down. You can use tape, S-hooks, or even pins to secure your work. Now that you've got everything, the next step is learning the basic knots. I'll show you the 5 beginner knots that make up almost every macrame project. Click here to watch that next.